Let's determine if each of these 7 matrices is elementary or not. Here's the definition if you need to review. I'll leave a link in the description to my lesson going over elementary matrices in detail. We say that a matrix is elementary if it can be obtained from the identity matrix by performing a single elementary row operation. So either swapping 2 rows, multiplying 1 row by a constant, or adding a multiple of 1 row to another. So let's take a look and determine if each one is elementary or not. Beginning with this 2 by 2 matrix A. Is it elementary? Well, can it be obtained from the identity matrix by performing a single row operation? And in this case, the answer is yes. It's pretty easy to see that the way we get this matrix from the identity is by adding -2 times row 1 to row 2. That will change this 0 to a -2 as desired. So the answer for A is yes, it is elementary. So I'll just put a check. On to matrix B. Is this matrix elementary? Yes, this one is as well. All that happened is the rows were swapped in the identity matrix. Row 1 and row 2 were swapped. That's one elementary row operation. So this is an elementary matrix. Now, what about letter C? The first entry in row 1 is 0, not 1. So we know that a swapping must have taken place. Rows 1 and 2 must have been swapped. But also, the second entry in row 1 is not 1 either. So this means that it must have been multiplied by something, which is a second row operation. Of course, it was multiplied by -3. Point is, there were 2 elementary row operations done to the identity to get to this matrix. Rows 1 and 2 were swapped, and then row 1 was multiplied by -3. Since this matrix could not be obtained from the identity by performing a single row operation, it is not elementary. So I will put a red X here, not elementary. On to matrix D. Matrix D is clearly not elementary because it doesn't even have the right dimensions. It's not square. The identity matrix is a square matrix, so certainly every elementary matrix also has to be square. This is not square, so it's not elementary. On to matrix E. This is an elementary matrix. We could obtain this matrix from the identity by just multiplying the first row by pi. That would produce this row 1. So yes, this one is elementary. It's just a multiplication by pi in the first row. Now what about matrix F? We can see the change is right here. Column 3, row 2, we have a -3. Where in the identity matrix we would have a 0. And we could have got this by a single row operation. All that needs to be done is adding 3 or -3 copies of row 3 to row 2. Adding -3 copies of row 3 to row 2 will produce that -3, and the other 2 entries would be unchanged. So yes, this is an elementary matrix. Finally, matrix G. This one is not elementary. We can see that rows 1 and 3 must have been swapped, but also row 1, the new row 1, was multiplied by -1. Because we don't have +1 here, we have -1. So 2 row operations must have taken place. The rows were swapped, and then this first row was multiplied by -1. Thus, this is not an elementary matrix because it could not be obtained from the identity by performing a single row operation. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description for more.